Today I'm going to be showing you how to dress up some of those store-bought cakes. So what we did today is we went to our local grocery store and just picked up 2 or 3 little sheet cakes here, and I'm going to show you how to zhuzh them up and make them spectacular. We're going to customize this cake for a birthday. So what I'm going to do for this guy is I'm going to start scraping off a lot of this piped on border. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make some ganache. So what I have here is just 2 of those little baking chocolate bars from the grocery store, and I'm going to add a little bit of heavy cream to that, about a 1/4 cup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zap this in the microwave about 30 seconds at a time. So I just microwaved it again 30 seconds at a time until I got it melted. Now I'm going to drizzle that along the edges of my cake here. So next, I'm going to continue to add more delicious toppings. So what I have right here is some whipped cream that I whipped up earlier. And right here, what I have is an entire box of Oreo cookies that I ran through the food processor, and you can see how fine and crumbly they are. So what I'm going to do is I am going to add some of my decadent whipped cream to this bowl right here. And I'm going to turn it into Oreo whipped cream. I'm just gonna pipe on some nice little swirls. So you can see that ganache is still pretty loose. I'm gonna take more of my luscious whipped cream here, add to that some cocoa powder. And look at, you would never know that that came from the store. It's just beautiful. And we're going to start with the same place we did last time by scraping off all this extra frosting. Another clean bowl. I'm just going to add some store-bought frosting to it. It's just jam that I have taken straight out of the jar, also called apricot preserves. I've added a little bit of water to it, heated it on the stove top, and then I passed it through a sieve. And the sieve got rid of any of the larger chunks of apricots that were remaining inside. So I'm just going to start here with some strawberries. I'm going to leave some whole. I'm going to slice some open. So I'm just going to come in with my other fruits and start just kind of layering it in. So now I'm going to come in with some blackberries. Now I've got some nice slices of plum. I love that beautiful. Again, I was inspired by purple this time around. So I'm just going to fan. Look at that. What a way to dress up a cake. Let me show you what I'm going to start with here. So these are little edible food sprays by Wilton. I love these things. It's a unique little addition, and I'm just gonna give that a little spray. It's a little cloudy in here. And they don't make purple, so I'm gonna have to improvise here and do a little red and a little blue and hope for the best. It's kind of there, but it's still gonna work just fine. And next, I'm gonna make this a birthday cake. And what I have here are little wooden letters that I found at our local craft store. And like I said, it's a little off-center, but that's okay. Just gives it some personality. So next, I'm going to use these blue sprinkles. And I'm just going to sprinkle that all over where I have my craft letters. And you just brush off the letters. So A, you can see where they are. B, those little sprinkles won't fall. So now I'm going to start by taking off these letters, and that's where these little handy-dandy handles will come in. So you can see, how cool is that?